All right, really quickly, here is how you add a grade item. So if you go under Assessments and select Grades, you can then click New Item. I'm doing numeric, but you have all of your choices there, pass, fail, etc. Type in the name. Scroll down. If you're organizing your grades, like I in some of my classes organize them by module. You can add a category here. If not, no big deal, you don't have to. So maybe it's homework's my category. I can add a description or attach a rubric, whatever I want to do there. How many points is it worth, bonus, etc. And then save and close. Then when I go under Assessments, Grades, I can go to Enter Grades. And you will see there are things there that are not that don't have drop boxes or discussion boards. So it's there, and then I can just grade all, and I can key my grades in this way if I want. So that's all. It's pretty much just under Assessments, Grades, new grade item. If you have any questions, give me a holler.